I bought the old typewriter at a garage sale, drawn to its battered keys and faded letters. That night, as rain hammered the windows, I set it on my desk and tried typing. The keys stuck, refusing to budge no matter how hard I pressed. Frustrated, I gave up and went to bed, the machine silent in the dark. At exactly 2:13 a.m., a sharp clack-clack pulled me awake. The typewriter, untouched, hammered out words by itself, each letter echoing like a ghostly tap in the stillness. I watched, frozen, as a message formed, "Help me." My skin crawled, heart pounding. I yanked the plug from the wall, but the keys moved faster, spitting out line after line. "He's here. Can't escape." The room turned icy cold, my breath fogged in the air. The typewriter paused, then typed my name. "You're next." I staggered back, panic rising. The lights flickered violently, shadows twisting and crawling along the walls. A chill hand clamped my shoulder. I spun around, but no one stood behind me, only the relentless whisper of keys, spelling out, "Now you belong to me." My scream joined the ceaseless clatter. Morning came and the typewriter sat silent once more. But sometimes at 2:13 a.m. it starts again.